Welcome on Financial Wealth. Today I'm going to bring you 5 steps or 5 niche to generate $30,000 monthly. Okay, so let's dive in. The first step is to go to google.com and driven to Social Blades. Okay, so 5 websites you can use to generate enough money, which is on Social Blades. The first, google.com. Secondly, we're going to socialblades.com and come to top 50 YouTubers. So Social Blade is the me platform where you can specifically see the numbers, how people are making good money online. Okay, so let's drive into. So the next one, the first website. So we're gonna choose. Let's see on their top 50. Okay, top 50 about anything, right? So this is what they're making. But if we wanna go specifically on each those niche, one after the other, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first of all, we're gonna choose on health. Okay, we're gonna type here health. Health. Alright, so when we type on health, this one pop up. Okay, when this pop up, we're gonna see how much money they make it. So this is what it makes. This is what it's making specifically. But if you wanna get all how much they make, let's go back. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So when you click on top 50 list over here, we're gonna go to the right over here. We're gonna look for health. Okay, most likely health, you can find it under science and technology right here. Okay, science technology. All right, so here most likely these people are making TPTV Simpson Brazil. So if you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and say on YouTube health niches. How YouTube, google.com. YouTube. All right.
It's my pleasure to welcome you to the junction.
All right, it's not that one. Let's go to this one here. Let's type it on. Health niches. ES. Okay, so in these, most likely you're gonna find some health niche on this one. Okay, we're gonna put pound. All right, let's do it another way to be easier. Let's take it another way to be easier. Okay, we're gonna go back to Social Blades. As we already pick on technology, most likely these are the one. Let's click on this one here, technology tech. This one making $3 to $47. Most likely when you say they very low like this, is because they just start. Okay, so we're gonna try to find one which is better so you can take a look over. analyze fact gallery. Let's say over this one. Super Theo training. Let's go over this one. Super Theo training. Super Theo training, it's right here. 240.3 thousand. Okay, minus plus, which is 449,000 to 4 million. Okay, and then we're gonna see what they do in this super Timoid training. Remember, it is under science and technology. Let's see, and we're gonna see what those people is doing. We're gonna bring it to here, and then we're gonna open it. Luckiest people moments. As you can see, alright, literally that's why it's theirs, to make that money. Okay, not much. So like this one here is just showing stuff about the apples and things like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the next one. The second one, remember the first one is about health, the second one is about technology and science, which is finance. Let's click over again, top 50, and go back to science technology. We can go back and choose the same. About science, we can go with mechanic. Mechanic. This guy is making 81,000 to 1 million monthly and 985,000 to 15 million yearly. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna copy that and bring it to YouTube and see how he does his stuff. And then we're gonna say enter. Okay, these are some people that you can use their videos, or you can go ahead and make your own niche and continue making money. Okay, so we are in the second one. Okay, so now that's what he's doing. Okay, as you going to pass them over. Okay, as you can see this, and you can copy and paste those niche, those video, but better thing to do is just go ahead and make your own. Okay, so the next one, science and technology still. So if you wanna get it under finance, most likely finance, we can say make money online, right? All these are making money online, right? So if I would say finance, I can type it over, make money. I can say that, make money online. That's how I can discover some other niche, because I just say make money online, it doesn't show up with many, just say one. But as you know already, when you look over it, you type it where I type it, it's not gonna bring you the results. Do not do it there. Okay, if I go to YouTube and type it, I can get any niche we get there, and it's gonna show you. But most likely now it's better to just go ahead and click on one of those niche. I bring you make money online or finance at the end. So let's go to travels. Okay, travels. This one has 95 uploads, and let me see. Let's get on the first one. Let's see what is given. This one get over a million subs. Let's click on Nas Daily. Okay, Nas Daily making over 63,000 and 1 million monthly, and 767 million, I mean 1,012 million, 212 million yearly. So this one is a great one too. You can go and see what they do to make that kind of money. We're gonna copy, see, and copy and see, and go back to YouTube and paste it there, and then enter Nash Daily and see what he does to make that kind of money. Really, I think he's talking about money, okay? He's joking, he's giving some joke, but as I can see the money, yeah, he's talking about money, he explaining about money, about populations. Those are some high CPM niche that people can get to and make money with. So the next one will be about travels. Oh, I mean this one, it was about travel, not making money. I'm sorry. This one was about traveling. That's why it was. How life without getting lucky. That's something that he put in his channels. If we go to video and most popular video, most likely you're gonna see what he's talking about. So now let's continue. Let's get to finance. We're gonna see just finance on YouTube, okay? And then finance, let's say make money online. We're gonna choose a niche, make money online. Alright, all these niche, as you can see here, they all good, making good money online. But I'm gonna click on this one here and copy.
There comes a time in
every creator's life when they say,
I've got an idea for
I'm gonna copy this right here. I'm gonna see, as he's saying, he's making money online, which is finance, and I'm gonna see how much money he's making right now, okay? We're gonna put it over here. Alright, we're gonna put it right there. Copy and paste here, and then enter. See how much money he's making. He's making a lot of money. He's making 258 to 4.1 thousand, 3.1 thousand to 49.5 thousand on YouTube. Okay. Make money maths helping. He's a B plus. But remember, when you see this, it's not that he making. You got to multiply this by 5. They give you basic of what they making, and you multiply 25 cents by 5 and 4 by 5, and that's how much they make in CPM. Okay. Let's continue. So that was about finance. You get about travel, finance, technology already. Remember, in technology you get mechanicians, and if we wanna go for one more, in addition, you can go with auto and vehicles. That's still science. If we wanna choose one of these, let's say Dashcam CN is one. 87,000 to 1.4 million. That's why they're making. And this one. Okay? Remember, you multiply this by 5, making it way more than that. Way more than that. Way more. 0.25 by 4, which is 25 cents by 5, and multiply 4 by 5, which is not this, but it's this one multiply 5. 87 multiply 5, and that one multiply 5. That's how you're gonna estimate how much exactly they're making. So that's all that I bring for you today, and I hope you get something. Remember to follow down the descriptions, and you can go ahead and make some money online. Okay? So that's all you have to do. See you anytime. Bye bye.